When you have anger or passion or fear, breath can never remain normal. It will become little fast, little hard. When that particular impurity has gone away, again it will become normal. If one practices, it becomes easy to observe the respiration, to observe the sensation on the body. Now I must observe my anger. How to observe anger? There is no shape of anger. There is no color of anger. You close your eyes and try to observe anger. What you will observe? Only the object of anger. So-and-so said like this, so-and-so did like this, something unwanted happened, wanted didn't happen, and that keeps on coming in your mind. You are not observing anger. You are observing the object of the anger. And that is the stimulation for your anger. Your anger becomes more and more. You are not observing anger. And that is why enlightened people said, observe your respiration. Observe sensation. Observing respiration, observing sensation, you are not diverting your attention to something else. Because this very sensation, this very respiration is like the other side of the coin. On the one side of the coin, you go to your mental negativity. On the other side, these physical things that are happening, your respiration becoming abnormal or your sensation on the body. So you are facing the problem. You are not running away from the problem. You are not suppressing the problem. A very wonderful solution was found. And for that one has to practice. No magic, no miracle. When all importance is given to things outside, then one always remains under the delusion that I am miserable because of things outside. What is happening inside? You can't change the whole world, but you can certainly change yourself. Certainly change yourself.